I'm not afraid.
Yeah. It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place. If you're trying to get out, just follow me. I'll get you there.
You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper before I lay 'em, but you won't take the sting of these words before I say 'em. Cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing mayhem. When I say I'ma do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me. So fuck the world, feed it team. Just gassed up. If you think you're stopping me, I'ma be what I set out to be. Without a doubt, I'm tired of bleeding. All those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. Throwing fans and bust, I'm trying to ask him why, how can he? From infinite to the last relapse album, still sitting. Whether he's on salary, paid hourly, until he battles out of me. Shit just battles out of him. Whichever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the game, like a fucking for Christmas. His gift is a curse. Forgive the earth, got the earth.
Kicking things off, we'll talk about the build. The build is absolutely superb. The high quality plastic with great detailing looks simply awesome. I love the red and grey theme Astro is going with his headphones, and I think with the combination of great and sharp detailing, the Astros really do stand out from the competition. The matte grey finish combined with the glossy highlights make these headphones look like a top of the line headphones, even though they're entirely made of ABS plastic. I really can't say anything more than I am blown away. The quality is extremely high with the build, and the accent detailing just makes them stand out. Moving downwards, we meet the speakers themselves. They're hidden below the extremely comfortable over-ear covers, giving a warm and fuzzy feeling to you while you're gaming. They're extremely comfortable to wear, especially with the cloth cushioning your ears. Moving up, we are met with the alright sounding mic. The Astro theme is kept with the mic having great sharp detailing with a red wire running down the middle, enclosed by a rubbing closing. The mic unit is at the end, enclosed by a hard plastic with a glossy grey finish. Moving further up, we are met with the headphone adjusters, which are hidden. To adjust, you simply pull up and down and they will open. You are met with a lot of friction, so it does seem like you're scratching them. This indeed is not the case. The high friction is required so that your headphones stay in place while you're gaming, or when you decide to have a rage. At the top of the band, we have the Astro logo, while underneath there's a foam pad for the top of the head. How do they sound? They're superb. Bass is punchy and deep thanks to the ear pads covering the entire ear. Mids are great and don't sound drowned out by the bass at all. Highs are a different story though. They are perfectly fine at low to medium/high volume levels, but as soon as you start going really loud or like loud, they drown out and sound horrible. Piano isn't an issue for these, unlike other headphones which struggle to replay the highs. So overall, really good, especially for the price tag. The mic sounds alright, and as you may hear, this is what I'm using. So, for $100 Australian or 75 American, do I recommend the Astro A10s? Well, for 2018 purposes and most everyday gaming, I honestly think yes. These headphones are an extremely good value for the dollar. They offer some really great audio performance. They fit comfortable as all hell. And I mean, they're everything. They're everything a gamer could need. Microphone, headphone, comfortable for ages. It's got everything in these. So yes, I honestly think that these are some of the best headphones I've ever held in my hands. And well, they're absolutely amazing. So yes, I do think that if you're looking for a brand new pair of headphones to swap out with the old ones, for example my Z22s, those were $300. I honestly think that these are an amazing value for the money. So yes, you should get these if you're if you're in the market. Should you going to replace your current pair? Probably not. But if you're looking for a new pair of headphones, I honestly think that these are a great value for the money.